Islam is beautiful. Once upon a time, we are enemy to one another. We are stranger to one another. We do not know who you are, neither you know who we are. But the nikmah of La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasul make us one ummah. I don't care, black, white, Arab, non-Arab, Japanese, non-Japanese, Bangladeshi, Asian, European, no problem. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, we become one ummah. Indeed, Allah created all of you from one father and one mother, Adam and Eve. And I decide to make you into nation and tribe, not you choose. I didn't choose to be a Chinese. Neither the brother choose to be black. Neither you choose to be a Bangladeshi or an Arab. Allah decide. جَعَلْنَاكُمْ شُعُوبًا وَقَبَائِلًا. But look at the beauty of this ayah. Allah never said Arab are better than non-Arabs. White are better than the black. Allah never said that. The reason Allah make us different, He make it very clear. لِتَعَارَفُوا. Get to know each other. We have been together, but we fail to get to know each other. We are stranger come to the Jummah and we leave Jummah like a stranger again. We don't even introduce us as I'm your brother from so country and can Alhamdulillah. What's wrong? 5 minutes, 10 minutes you spend extra. They get to know each other. When you know each other, you can get closer to each other. You learn how to love each other better. But we fail to do that. لِتَعَارَفُوا. The beauty, the power of getting to know each other. And Allah said, the best among you is not because of your name, your color, your race. No. It's because of your taqwa.